again. Umpy is rolling right along. This week we get to finish up the inside of the frame. The only piece we have left to tackle is the inside back. So let's get to work. My inside back, as you can see, is just a nice big rectangle. I'm going to fold it in half and mark my centers with a little notch. We have boards here, and we have a board up here to cut through. All right, so I can feel that the board's right about here. Mark the bottom. Hopefully by now you're discovering a pattern. While every upholstered chair is different, our approach has some common themes. With each new piece we're applying, it's easy to get overwhelmed, but try to determine a good starting point and just work from there. Focus on overall positioning first. Make your easement cuts and resist the urge to overstaple. Once you're sure everything is properly placed, then work on tensioning, pleats, and trimming. Initially, you won't pick the most efficient path, but the long road can still take you where you're going. With practice, lots of practice, we get better at knowing where to pull next, where to cut, where to staple. Be patient with yourself. Professionals generally say that it took years of practice before they felt confident. Regardless of age or experience, most will also admit with pride that they're still learning. I know I am. Upholstery is a skilled craft, and it's possible to spend a lifetime encountering new techniques, new styles, and new challenges. That's kind of what makes it wonderful. If you're lucky enough to have classes in your area, I'd highly encourage you to check them out. Hands-on education with a good teacher is a lovely way to experience upholstery. Okay, so up here too, now I know how tight it is top to bottom. I can find where I'm going to hit the top of that board, and again, it's quite wide board up here. We are ready to talk about cushions, so next week we will dive into that. Hope you can join us. See you then.